This is a tutorial wherein I used one eyeshadow for most of the makeup here. Like, I used this brown eyeshadow for my eyebrows, eyelids, lower lash line, and contouring my nose and cheeks. So if you want to watch, please continue watching, and then in my next video, I'm gonna do the Anne Curtis inspired hair. So, hope you enjoy watching. So, now let's begin. First is, syempre, is to put foundation all over your face. Any foundation will do, basta parehas ng skin tone nyo. So, yan, yung mga blemishes, kailangan matanggal. Yan. Mga redness, you have to cover them up. Dito, sa nose. And, of course, if you have eye bags, like me, kailangan yan i-cover. Like that. Okay, just do this. Beautiful face starts with a beautiful skin. So, kailangan wala yung mga imperfections natin sa katawan. Okay, so next, I'm gonna put powder. I'm gonna use my MAC Replica Studio Fix powder and my MAC brush, powder brush. Yan. Kailangan lang to put powder all over your face para ma-set yung foundation, yung skin, para matte yung itsura niya. Okay. Super light lang kayo mag-brush. Super light brush stroke. And also put powder on your neck para pantay yung itsura. Start off, we're gonna put brown eyeshadow on our eyebrows. Para magmukhang full yung eyebrows natin, di ba? Just like Anne Curtis. After that, we're gonna use this color again for your eyelids. We'll make it smoky. So, ganyan lang. Super simple lang. Kasi, I want to make this as simple as possible para pag kunyari, nagmamadali kayo or wala na kayong time mag-makeup, ito, pwede niyong gawin. Actually, kahit wala kayong brush, kahit kamay nilang pwede. So, yan na yun. Diba? Super simple. Since we're doing the peg on Anne Curtis, kailangan matangos yung nose natin. So, paano ba magkaroon ng matangos na ilong without having surgery? Yan. Siyempre, we are not all gifted with matangos na nose, kaya kailangan natin magdaya ng konti. Lagyan natin ng pangpatangos ng nose using the same color again, using this dark brown eyeshadow. So, yan. Medyo semi-tumangos na siya, diba? Pero, syempre, kailangan natin i-blend. Kasi mukha naman tayong, diba? Parang alien kung ganun yung nose natin. So, after you contour your nose, using the same eyeshadow again, we can contour our cheeks. Yan. Siyempre, again, wala naman tayong... Hindi ganyan na. Kailangan kayong i-blend. Pinapakita ko lang kung paano ilagay. So, again, you have to blend. Pag super dark, pwede naman itong patungan ng powder. Don't worry. So, after that, you can also use this brown eyeshadow dito sa jawline natin. Ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng jaw bigla. Para hindi tayo magmukhang may double chin, di ba? Ayan. There. Para may pag-illusion. I forgot to put the brown eyeliner on the lower lash line. Same, with the same eyeshadow, diba? So, ayan. Para lang may, ma-define yung eyes natin. dun lalagyan natin dun sa lower lash line. And pwede rin sumobra if you want. Ayan. Para may, naman, mas lalong may drama effect. Next, mascara naman. I'm using Bobbi Brown to put mascara sa eyelashes ko. Kailangan medyo kapal natin kasi simple na nga yung makeup natin. So, nagka-clump. Para hindi mag-clump, kailangan natin i-wiggle-wiggle ng konti. Para ayan. See? Kapal na siya, diba? And then next, malapit na matapos. Let's put blush. Ay! Medyo kumapal. Konti lang. Ayan, dapat konti lang. Last is we're gonna put on lipstick. So, we're finished. See? We used only one eyeshadow for most of the makeup here. Diba? One brown eyeshadow for the brows, for the eyelids, for the lash line, for the contouring, and for the nose. And then one blush on and lipstick. Diba? Parang medyo ang dami nating ginamit. Pero tipid lang talaga. So, if you're gonna plan to buy makeup, very important thing to buy is the brown eyeshadow. Kasi marami siyang gamit. At, actually, pwede pa nga itong lipstick na to na gawing blush on. Kung talagang ang dala nyo lang sa bag is lipstick, diba? So, yun. If I were you, ang mga kailangan importanteng dalhin is number 1, eyeshadow, the brown one, and then powder, and then lipstick. And then, pwede mo na siyang i-mix-mix, pwede mo na siyang gamitin kung saan-saan. So, there. And then, next, we proceed on the Ann Curtis inspired hair. Okay? So, please watch my next